All right, good day everybody, and I'm sure we are currently enjoying the activities of our day. And today we are going to do a very quick tutorial because technology is increasing, the world is growing, and we are possibly seeking a lot of possible way for us to make it on the digital space. Now today we are going to work on a tutorial on how to make money from our YouTube videos. You might not basically be on your YouTube video, you might have a Vimeo video, you might have a Facebook video, you might have some video that you have on Dailymotion. So this is the time that you have to make money from your videos. So it's as you are putting on those platforms a free video for people to learn, so which is good, but on another platform you can actually sell those videos. So I'm going to share with us a very good secret that I'm currently using to make sales for my own tutorial videos on most of the social platforms. So I use a platform actually, so I'm going to share with us what platform I use. So if you are a trainer and you train people how to learn a digital skills, so this is your time and this video is for you. I want you to watch this video to the end because we are going to be sharing a lot of secrets on how the whole system works. And please, before I get started, I want you to subscribe to this channel. We are new to this channel and we need all your subscriptions so that we can grow. Put on the notification bell, give us a like, and also send us a comment on this particular platform I'm going to share with you. If you have any comments that you or any video you want me to do based on that particular platform, please send it on the comments so that I can prepare a video on it. So I've been using the platform for months now and I've been making sales and getting my pay. So you can make almost 100,000 naira a day. It depends on what kind of educational video you are posting. So now, without no wasting of time, let's get started. So I have some couple of old videos that I've posted here for a long time. So I'm going to use one of my YouTube videos as a means of sample so that we can see how the whole system works. So now one of the video I have here, like the first one I'm seeing here, is saying how to earn 100,000 naira weekly. So and this one is saying create long cinematic video for free, and this one is saying new AI thumbnail marker changes everything. So I'm going to choose this one in particular, this one exactly. So I'm going to take this one. So now how do I do this? The very first thing I will do is because everything we are going to do is on mobile, so you can also use your desktop actually, but I'm doing it on mobile, so please pay attention. Now what you do first is you click on the three dots by the right, you see where the road share. So on that share, you wait it to load, then you copy the link. It's as simple as that. So we have done the first part. Now the second part, because this video is what we want to actually use, I want to sell it on that platform. So I've copied the link, so I'll go to any browser of my choice. So I'm going to click browser. I'm going to click Firefox. You can use any browser. It's not mandatory that you use Firefox, so any browser that you think you can use it. So the platform we are going to use is called Math Studio Learning. Math Studio Learning. So I'm going to search for Math Studio. Math Studio Learning. So all right. So I'm going to search Math Studio Learning. So I'm going to wait. So you can see the first thing you see is the Math Studio Learning. So now you can just click on the website to get you to the website directly. So on this part, I'll just click on the website. So this is actually how the site looks like. You can see lots of videos. The very first one you see here, I posted it today. You can see 15 hours ago. I posted it today in one of my tutorials. So, and you can see other videos too from different people. All right, the very first thing we are going to do is to click on the login button. So on the login button, you see where they wrote username and password. I already created an account, but if you don't have an account, you can just come here where they wrote sign up. Just click on sign up, and you are going to fill in your details, your first name, last name, email, password, confirm password. So you choose your gender, then account type. If you're a student who is still learning, you can choose student. Then if you are a teacher, someone who loves teaching, you love doing online videos, you teach others, so you can choose online tutor or trainer. So, or you can choose a tech business. I think that's pretty okay. Then also, how did you hear about us? You can just choose how you had it. So then the I am not a robot thing, and also you can just tick the agreement, which is very important, and you click sign up. So I think basically you are done with that. Now once you are done, you just click back on login, which is here. You can just click on this login part and put your email and password. I'm going to do that now. So currently I've logged in now. The very first thing I'm going to do is to click on create. You see the create button at the top right. You see the create button here. So in this create button, you are going to click on the create button here. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, you see this pop up: import training, shorts, and create post. So import training is for you to import your YouTube videos, your Vimeo videos, your Facebook videos, your TikTok videos, and other videos on other social platforms like Dailymotion. But the one that works faster from my experience is Dailymotion and YouTube videos. They are much more easier to bring in, to import to the platform. So I think you can try that out. So if you have your videos on YouTube, this is the time for you to make money on those videos. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on import training. So please note that the platform is basically for training, education. So the video you want to bring in should be a training video. Focus on tech training, different kind of training that you know you can do and people can learn from. So that is what this system gets into their platform. Then also, if you are bringing a different videos, I just want you to take note, because a lot of people have been calling me that their account has been blocked and all that. So your account is basically blocked because the video you bring into the system is not in line with their terms and conditions, especially if maybe you are bringing a movie inside the video. Your account is going to be blocked, and whatever money you have there is also going to be blocked. Then if you are bringing comedy, it's going to be blocked. So any video you want to bring there should be a training video that is that has the intention in helping others shape their skills or handwork. So you can post that video. I think they accept that such video more. But any video that is not related to lessons, tutorials, training, it is not accepted. So Apart from it not being accepted, your account is going to be blocked. And moreover, the system allows you to have more than 2 accounts. So you can see where they wrote switch account. So it allows you to have more than 2 accounts. You can create 2 accounts in case if you exhaust your limit in the first account, you can create another account. So the platform is 100% free. So and you can go to your studio and check what is going on in your studio, so and see how many people who have viewed your videos and those who have bought it. Then also the system has a wallet which is going to tell you how much you have made. You also have points, so the more post, the more points you get to your Mass Studio. So you can also advertise there. I'm trying to tour around the system so that we can see how the whole stuff works. So you can also advertise your business on Max. Click on new ads, then you name the ads, then you put the redirection URL, then you give it a title. Make sure that your title is high ranked title. Then you describe, you talk about a very short description. Then you choose your target audience. Then also are you bringing in video or image? Then you can choose your price. So if it's per click or per impression, then your sending limit per day, then total ads, then you put your video, a very short video, or your image, then you publish. I think that is about the app. So let's go back to the why we are here. You click on import. Don't forget that I've already copied YouTube video link, the one we did before. So, and before I continue, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel because we are new, so that we can grow more. And if you have any other video you want us to do in regarding to Mass Studio learning, you can just comment on this comment section so that I can do the video for you. Now, if you are following us from the start of this training, we have copied the YouTube video that we want to use. So I'm going to paste it here, the YouTube video. So I've pasted. The next thing I'll do is fetch training video. So it's going to fetch it, every single thing. That is what it's going to fetch, both the thumbnails, the title, the description, the tags, the keywords. Is going to bring everything inside so that we can have so we don't need to stress ourselves, just for us to bring it in. So I'm going to remove this hashtag. So the system works more on keywords than hashtag. So the algorithm of the system works in keywords. So I'm going to change the category to graphics. So just graphics is fine. All right, so I think that is all I need to do. That's the first step you need to do. Just put the YouTube link and it's going to fetch everything that you needed. So you don't need to do 2 thumbnails, just same thumbnail is okay. And you can also adjust the title. So I think we are good to go like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll click on publish. So the publication is just instant as you click on publish. So you are going to see it published. So how do you actually make money on this? So after you have published it, the next thing you are supposed to do is to click on edit video. So you can see after share, you will see edit video. So once you click on edit video here, so on the edit video, you are going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you see where they wrote price. So at the spot where they wrote price, you can just put your price. So let me put my own price for the video. So if anybody wants to rent my video, they can rent it for 500. So yes, I needed to appear at the feature part. So this particular section where you choose feature, I've already upgraded my account to a premium package. So this feature is actually coming out. So once the whole changes is made, I will just click on publish. Let me just give you a sample on how it's going to appear. This is how it's going to look like. You can see purchase for 1050 naira, which is what this person is actually selling his course video. So you can watch the training video for that. So you can see in the description, which is saying this training video lecture is paid for. So you have to purchase the video to watch tutorials. So I think you get that part. So you have to purchase for 1050 naira. So it means for you to purchase, you need to have funded your wallet, and I've showed you how to fund your wallet. You can just click on your picture down here if you are using your mobile phone. So you are going to see where they wrote wallet. So on your wallet, you can just go there and click on the wallet and click on add fund. So you put the amount you want to add, then you add your fund. So to get to the affiliate earning of Math Studio, what you are going to do is you are going straight to settings. You can go straight to your studio, or you can go straight to settings and you see my affiliate. So on the affiliate, you are going to copy the link that is provided for you there. So you can read up your description and start earning. So I have my own affiliate link, so you can check the description below, then you can click on the link. So it's going to bring you where to register your Math Studio account. So then we can earn from the activities you make on the platform. So basically this is all I have for you today. So how to make money from all your social platforms this year, either from YouTube, either from Vimeo, either from Dailymotion, either from Facebook. So this is the right way on how to make genuine money. As you are doing your training free on those platforms, you can still monetize it on the platform so that you can make more money. And I'm sure that you have learned a lot. And if you have learned a lot and this video is useful for you and you want to start the journey now, I want you to subscribe to this channel. For you to have watched this till now, it means that you have watched to the end. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we're actually new. Subscribe to our Math Studio channel, and so that we can grow and you can get more notifications. So if there's any comment or any video you want me to do for you, put it on the comment section, then I will attend to it. This is where we are going to draw our curtain. I want you to enjoy the rest of your day.